Question 1. Bush bearing. The figure shows the details of a bush bearing. Assemble these parts correctly and then draw its following views to scale 1:1. A. Front view, right half in section. B. Top view. C. Side view as viewed from left. Write heading and scale used. Draw projection symbol. Give 6 important dimensions.
Okay, so first we will see body. Now see, in this they have given front view, top view and side view. In exam, either they will give you front view, top view, or they will give you front view, side view. Now if you see this front part, so they have given oil hole over here, see this, right? They have given 2 slots for bolt and they have removed some part from bottom to reduce the weight, right? Same if you see in top view, if you want to relate this in top view, see this oil hole is over here. This slot is over here and this slot, see this rectangle dotted part, so which is at the bottom. So we know front view and top view. Now we'll see side view. So in side view, if you see again oil hole, then this slot and this smaller part, right? And they have a circle which is through and through. Now if you see this 3D object, it is over here. So now in this 3D object, see this is the slot for the bolt, this is oil hole, and this is the circular part which is cavity. So through this we will insert bush. Now if you see the bush, see this. In this is a bush part, right? So if you see they have given circle and they have given a dotted over here. See this dotted. This dotted is for same oil hole. Now see what will happen when you put this bush inside this, then shaft will rotate inside this. So it will generate a lot of heat. So to reduce the wear and tear, what they will do, they will insert oil from up, oil or coolant from top side, so that will help them in smooth rotation of the shaft, as well as the life of the shaft, as well as bush will increase. So it will act as a coolant. So that's why they provide with this oil coolant. Now we have understood this 3D part. Now what we will do, now we will draw this in 2D and then we will see the assembly. So now first we will start with front view. Now if you see this part 1, which is body, right? So first length is how much? 85 plus 85. So first we will draw a box. 85 plus 85 is the length. Height is 45 plus 36. So we will take 45 plus 36 and we will draw a rectangle. Then in top, if you see width is how much? 72. See in this side view. So you will take 72 and you will draw this box. Then you will draw 45 degree and you will draw side view also. So first we will draw layout of front view, top view and side view. Then we will start with view which has a circle. So now in this case, we will start with front view. So first we will find the center and we will draw a circle. Now first we will draw radius 24. Right? After that they have given radius 36. So diameter 72. So radius 36. Now this height is how much? 18. So we will go up by 18. We draw line. From here also we draw line. Now if you see from here, see there is a vertical line, right? So we will draw a vertical line from here. Then after that, if you see, they have given radius 6. So you go up by 6 from here, draw horizontal line. From here you take horizontal line 6 and you draw vertical line. So you will get a square and from there you can draw radius 6. See once again, you take 6 from here, draw vertical line. You take 6 from here, draw horizontal line. Wherever they will cut, from that point you can draw radius 6. Right? Same way they have given radius 3 also. So that also we can manage. From here you take 3, wherever they cut, from that point you can draw radius 3. From here also you take 3, wherever it will cut, from there you can draw radius 3. After that, we'll draw this part. Right? This entire thing is done. Then they have given this slot, right? See. So this slot. So what is this slot? If I draw this same diagram in 3D, like but upside down, it will be somewhat like this. Right? So then remove some material from bottom to reduce the weight. So that's why they have given this cavity. See, they have removed this portion. From the bottom they have removed. So this much portion is being removed. So that's why they have shown dot in there. Right? Now, this part. So this part we will draw once we will draw this top part, right? So we are done with front view. We need to draw this dotted and this dotted. So this we will draw once we will draw top. Right? So after this we will start with top view. So first we will draw this rectangle. That is 72 by 77. This is 72. This is also 72. So it will be a square 72 by 72. Then we need to draw this part, which is 88 on both the sides. So 28, 28. So if you want, we can draw a center line. And we'll take 28, 28 on both the sides. Right? And this part will be dotted. Why it will be dotted? Because from top view you can't see. See this. So when you see from the top, you can't see this because of this part. See this. So that's why we have to draw this dotted. So it is given dotted, right? Then dotted for this circle. Right? Then this slot, right? That slot will be dotted. See, when you see from the top, you can't see that slot which is down, right? So that is they have given how much? See, 9 on both the sides. So you take 9 from top, 9 from down. And you can draw this dot. Right? After this, you will see this part. See this slot. Right? Now if you see how much is this? 18 by 12. So it's a rectangle of 18 by 12. See this. This is 18 and this is 12. So what we need to do, you take half of this. See this is 12, right? So you take half of this, that is 6. So you go inside by 6 and you draw a curve. You go inside by 6 and you draw a curve. So then you get this slot. Now see why they have given you this kind of a slot for bolt? Because they want to have a maximum possibility of fitting the bolt. So they want to try it out whether you can fit over here, here. So possibility will increase. So that's why they have given you oval shaped slot. So what we will do in this? We will take 25 from here. Then we'll draw 18 by 12. Same on the other side. Go inside by 6. See this. Go inside by 6 and you draw curve. Go inside by 6 and you draw curve. So that's why you will see over here 1, 2, 3 lines. Right? See this is 1, 2 and 3 lines. So that's why you will see in top view 3 center line. In this also you go inside by 6, draw curve. Go inside by 6, draw curve. In front view when you project, this extreme line dotted, this one, right? Now after this, we will see this part. Now if you see, this is what? Diameter 4. See what they mean. So first, I will draw axis line and I will draw diameter 4. You can use pro circle if you want to. If you want. Otherwise, you can draw circle with a round. So diameter 4 is a little bit difficult, so you can use pro circle. So first we will draw diameter 4, right? After this, we will take this line up. See, because we don't know the outer diameter, we know only inner diameter. So you draw diameter 4, you take this up. So you have a dotted line like this. Then if you see the given diagram, so they are given 3 down, see this, and 90 degree. So what we need to do, from top I will go down by 3 and I will draw dotted line. So this is this way. See, you go down by 3 and you draw this line. And then you draw 45 degree. So this is 90 degree. So you draw 45, 45. So this is how we will draw this oil hole, right? This is for lubrication. You project this and then you can draw circle. Right? You will project this and you get this outer circle. So remember that outer circle radius is not given. First you draw inner circle, you take it up, you go down by 3. See, you go down by 3 mm, and wherever it will cut with this diameter 4, from there you draw 45, 45. So you will get the required thing. So now we are done with top view. I don't think so we are left anything with top view. So we have done item 1, that is body, front view and top view. Now we will draw side view of this. Right? So now in side view, when I see from here, I'll see this rectangle, right? So that's what I will draw. This part, this rectangle, then we have a slot. This dotted line for this bolt, foundation bolt, right? Then we draw this upper part. We draw axis, project from here. Right? Then if you see over here, radius 4. Same method, you take 4 from here, 4 from here, you draw a small square of 4 and you draw a curve. Here also 4, 4 and from there you draw a small radius 4. Right? After that, you draw inner circle, you dotted, this, dotted. Again we will follow the same method. You will draw dotted, 3 down, and you draw 45 degree to draw this oil hole. Right? We will follow the same method. Then this is given to here, this part. This part is. So I guess we are done with side view as well. Now we will insert bush. Now if you see this bush, see this. Bush is like this. It's a cylindrical tube, right, which has a oil hole over here and it is like this. So this will fit over here. See this. If you check the dimension also, if you check the dimension, this is how much? Diameter 48. And this is outer diameter 48. So this will go inside this. And see this dotted will coincide with this dotted, right? So what we will do in this? We will draw this inside this. See this. So this is assembly. These two are different parts. Now we will put this part inside this. So what will change? In front view we need to draw one more circle. See, diameter 48 is already drawn. Now we need to draw diameter 38. So radius 19 we can draw. And we need to extend this oil hole. Right? In side view, you will see dotted line. And this will come till here. In top view, we will draw dotted line. It will be through and through. we are done with top view, we are done with side view, and we are done with front view. Now we will see half sectional front view. So now we need to draw front view right half in section. So what we will do, first we will draw cutting plane line. Let's say we have cutting plane line AA, which is shown in top view like this, right? So if you see, this much portion is being removed, see this. So what we will do, first we will draw center line. Now see, when you cut like this portion will go away. See this, when you are cutting this portion is going, right? So this portion will go away, right? Bush will remain as it is. Then this dotted will become dark. See. These two lines will become dark. This is when it is dark. This is also dark. So whenever you have section, so first initially you draw light and then you do it dark. This will be dotted only because we are doing half section. Now see, why we do half section? Because I am interested in inner as well as outer detail. That means I want to see what is there inside and what is there outside. So that time you go for half section. And in assembly, 90% they have half section. Now if you see this part, right? So since it is getting cut, so we need to hatch. So I'm going to hatch with this chalk. See this. It's a medium dark line. We'll be drawing it like this. And yeah, this part will be dark. This part, this half portion will be dark. So the section will come till here. Now we have a bush also. See, in this case, now this is the body. So this is what we did just now. You know, section in this part. Over here there won't be any section. This will remain as it is, and this line won't come because it is not there. Right? We can show light line. Alright? This will be there because it is there. But over here there is no line because it's a gap. Right? Behind there will be line. Yes, this is very interesting. Behind there is a line. So again we will draw that. So at times, you know, people they have a confusion that okay, whether we should remove or no. So we need to retain this. Why? Because there will be a line which is behind, right? So for that we need to show. Now we'll see bush part. See this bush. So we need to do hatching, and we will do hatching in different direction. Why? To show it's a different material, right? Altogether. If you see questions, they have given body, cast iron, bush, gunmetal. So we need to show hatching in different direction. So we have done right half in sectional front view. So now this will be also dark. Okay? This side is dotted, this side is dark portion. Right? This is dark, dotted, but it will be visible. Now what we need to do, we need to give 6 important dimensions. Cutting plane line, we need to write top view, front view, right half in section, left hand side view. Then we need to write scale 1:1. We need to draw this since we are doing it as first angle. We need to draw this, and then we need to draw the bill of material. So now in that we need to write item number. So now this is first item, right? Our body. So we can show it like this. Right? So part 1 is body, it's made up of cast iron and it is 1 in quantity. Part 2, that is bush. So what we can do, we can show part 2 bush over here. Right? Or on this side, wherever you find easy. So part 2 bush, gunmetal, that is also 1 quantity. We need to write assembly of bush bearing. So now we will draw projection symbol. Now at times people they have doubt like how to draw this. So for what we will do, we will draw this. First you draw diameter 30. You can take any dimension. So I'm just taking diameter 30 and I'm drawing square of 30. So this is side view, this is front view. Then after that, so this is also 30. Right? You draw square of 30 and draw circle. Then from here you draw 15 degree. From here you draw 15 degree. Right? You will get this. Now from here you extend. From here you extend. So wherever it will cut, from center you can draw a circle. This is our projection symbol for first angle method. You can draw axis also. So remember that.